Buying Bitcoin has never been this easy. Let me show you how to buy BTC instantly using Bitget Wallet. First, open your Bitget Wallet. Make sure you're logged in with your preferred account. On the home page, tap the Buy Crypto button. Next, select Bitcoin, BTC, from the list of supported assets. Choose the fiat currency you want to pay with. Bitget Wallet offers 80+ payment methods, offering 100+ fiat currencies for on/off ramp. Now choose your payment provider. Choose the payment method that you preferred from the list and proceed. Enter the amount of fiat currency you'd like to purchase BTC with and confirm the amount of BTC you will receive. Then click Next. Follow the instructions of service provider to complete the transaction. You will receive a notification on Bitget Wallet on the status of this order. That's it! You've bought Bitcoin. Start building your crypto journey today with Bitget Wallet.